Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter 2 acid, base, and salt. So, we all know what is acid. Acid is a substance that are sold in taste and change the color of blue litmus paper to red. So, whereas base are bitter and changes the color of red litmus to blue litmus paper. So, acid அப்படின்றது வந்து it's a substance which is sour in taste. ரொம்ப sour அதோட டேஸ்ட் வந்து சோராக இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இப்போ ஆசிடை வந்து நம்ம லித்தமஸ் பேப்பர் ப்ளூ லித்தமஸ் பேப்பரில் போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அது வந்து ரெட் கலரில் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். whereas in case of base வந்து bitter in taste and they change the color of red litmus வந்து blue litmus பேப்பராக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். ஸோ லித்தமஸ் அப்படின்றது வந்து ஒரு இண்டிகேட்டர் whether it indicates whether it is an acid or a base. So turmeric is an example of such indicator. So in this video we are just going to discuss about the chemical properties of acids and base. So how do acids and base reacts with metals? So this is an experiment which demonstrates how the acids and base reacts with the metal. So the experiment is about take 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granule to it. What do you observe on the surface of zinc granule? Pass a gas being evolved through a soap solutions. Why are bubbles formed in the soap solution? Take a burning candle near a gas-filled bubble. What do you observe? So first, what is experiment is you have to take 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in this test tube and you have to add a small piece of zinc granule in it. So the reaction will take place between the sulfuric acid and zinc granules and some amount of gas formed is passed through this soap solution so that we can get a bubble over it. When we place a burning candle, it will start to burst. So what we will observe is the formation of bubbles. So the experiment is the metal and acid and metal, when they get reacted we form salt and hydrogen gas. So the gas evolved in the above experiment is hydrogen gas. So when they get reacted with the burning candle, with the candle that is burning, it get bursted. So the equation is acid plus metals give salt and hydrogen, that is H2SO4 plus zinc gives ZnSO4 plus H2. So we can do this experiment with a small amount of base. So same experiment we have to take sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH. When NaOH reacts with zinc granules, it forms Na2 sodium zincate, that is Na2ZnO 2 plus hydrogen. Same hydrogen gases evolved. So when acids or base reacts with the metal, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. This is the equations for the representation of acid with metal and base with metal. Next one is how do metal carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates reacts with acids. So metal carbonate அப்படின்னா carbonate formula என்ன CO3. So metal accompany எந்த ஒரு metal accompany பண்ணலாம், for example sodium, potassium, இந்த மாதிரி எது வேணால் accompany பண்ணலாம். next one is hydrogen carbonate அப்படின்றது வந்து HNO3. metal hydrogen carbonate அப்படின்றது ஏதோ ஒரு metal, sodium NaHCO3. So in this reactions we have to take 2 test tubes. So the activity 2.5 is about an experiment. We have to take 2 test tube, one is A and B. So in one test tube you have to add sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, and in another test tube you have to add sodium hydrocarbonate. Then we have to add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to both the test tube. So what we will observe? So we will observe a gas evolve. So we have to pass this gas through lime water. So this experiment is, so we have to pass the gas through the lime water. So we will observe what are the observation is. For example, the reaction test tube A, we are taking sodium carbonate. So Na2CO3 plus 2HCl. We have already added 2HCl. So it reacts with it to form sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So the gas evolved in this experiment is carbonate. Similarly, in case of test tube B, we have taken sodium hydrogen carbonate. So when it reacts with HCl, it forms sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So on passing on they have said that we have to pass the gas evolved through lime water. So lime water formula is CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide is known as lime water. So when the gas CO2 will react, it forms sodium carbonate, that is a white precipitate is formed along with the water. So if we passes a excess amount of carbon dioxide, that is we are passing more amount of carbon dioxide, the following reaction takes place. So already we have got a white precipitate, that is sodium carbonate plus water, plus we are adding more amount of carbon dioxide, we forms a substance which is soluble in water. Usually the limestone, chalk, marble or the different forms of calcium carbonate ஓட different forms தான் வந்து இந்த limestone, chalk, marbles அந்த மாதிரி சொல்கிறாங்க. So whenever and metal carbonate, general formula or representation of this is metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, when it reacts with acid it forms salt, carbon dioxide and water. Next one is how do acids and base reacts with each other. So how do acids and base reacts with each other? The basic reaction involved in this is acid and base when reacts they form a neutralization reaction. So this is when acid and base reacts it forms salt and water, and the reaction is known as neutralization reaction. For example, when sodium hydroxide reacts with HCl it forms NaCl, that is salt and water. So the reaction between acid and base involves a neutralization reaction to form salt and water. Next one is reaction of metal oxides with water. So there is an activity to take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker. So we have to take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker and we have to add hydrochloric acid slowly with constant stirring. You have to know, they have said that you have to note the color of the solution and what happened to the copper oxide. So when metal oxide reacts with acid it forms salt and water. The above experiment we will observe that the color of the solution becomes blue to green. Usually the copper salt's color is blue. When it reacts with acid it changes to green color and copper oxides get dissolved. That is the observation we have found in the activity. So when metal oxides and acid reacts it forms salt and water. Next one is reactions of non-metal oxides with base. So you have saw the reaction between carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide in activity 2.5. Calcium hydroxide, which is a base, when it reacts with carbon dioxide to produce salt and water. Since this is similar to reaction between base and an acid, we can conclude that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So the reaction between non-metallic oxides with base are said to be acidic in nature. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.